My journey begins with a quiet excavation of nature's hidden treasures. A gloved hand reveals vibrant agate stones and crystalline artistry emerging from a mysterious, transformed landscape. Every glimmer softly inspires quiet introspection and deep, heartfelt awe. Delicate discovery unfolds as precision and care uncover nature's subtle marvels. A metallic tool and steady hand expose a luminous purple agate, its translucent allure echoing secrets of Earth's ancient artistry. Every glint fuels enduring poetic contemplation. Emergence of ethereal beauty unfolds with measured precision during this ritual of discovery. A careful extraction unveils a serene blue crystal nestled amidst earthy textures and golden mineral whispers. Its cool shimmer ignites quiet reverence with grace. In this culminating act, nature unveils a vibrant mosaic of hidden gems. A precise extraction of a vivid blue gemstone accompanies agates and purple marvels, uniting Earth's diverse secrets with a poetic, soulful rhythm. Reflection deepens profoundly.
Hey.